Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. Today we're going to go ahead and replace this weed trimmer head. Still works. I've had some issues and I've tried to keep the grass from getting stuck in the groove here, and then some other problems with the actual string staying in place, so I figured it was time to replace it and decided to go with this Easy Lock Weed Warrior. You fold the string in half and stick it in, it locks in place. It's actually going to have 4 strings instead of 2, and hopefully we'll get an improved performance out of it too. So I'm going to go ahead and install this now. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open it. I'll see if I can undo this by hand. Doesn't look like it. Opposite thread. Alright, a couple issues we ran into here. Whether or not to keep this shaft on. I tried taking it off and I don't like the way that it looks on there. Then it looks like these sizes don't match, so I won't get any kind of lock in place. That's going to cause this to tend to spin. And then they also give us some other screws. So it looks like that's going to be our new setup. And it does look like it's gonna slide over despite being the wrong size. Definitely stressing that insert. So let's leave it like that for a while. And they've given me a couple extra pieces. And supposedly it loads in 10 seconds. You simply fold it in half. These appear to be a little short. And you stick it in here. And that's it. I think we're going to give it a try. guys, another episode of How To in a Few. Surprisingly, it worked really good. I cut quite a bit before I came back to the camera, and surprisingly, all 4 of the strings were still on there, even though I went into some pretty heavy brush. I don't know if that is a testament to the line that came with it. It might be a better quality line than what I had, but I'm hoping that it's just it spins more freely and that I'm getting, you know, better results from the new product. We'll see once I switch over to my line that I have and I get done with theirs, but I'm pleased with it. Ordered that off of Amazon. It was fairly easy to install, even though it didn't quite fit my Ryobi, but I was able to get it on there. I just tightened it up real well, actually by hand using the original screw, and it didn't slip and it cut. I mean, I did some blackberry bush briars, and then also there was an area over our septic tank that had kind of grown up because it's a little hill there, and took all that down too, including some pretty substantial woody brush that was located there too. So quite pleased with it. Hopefully that helped you out. If so, give me a thumbs up. Even if it didn't, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, because that helps YouTubers like me to continue making videos, which end up helping you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.